Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to do some answer writing practice. Okay, how did the Indian Renaissance support the discovery of ancient India history? Okay, so this question was asked in the year 2019 GS paper 1 of MPPSC examination. So as we all know, there are three parts to a good answer, that is introduction, body and conclusion. So beginning with introduction, we must define what was the meaning of Renaissance. So you can start with the definition of Renaissance, okay, and what did it signify. So basically Renaissance was the general awakening of the enlightened section of the Indian society towards social reforms. Okay, so to sum it up, that enlightened section of the Indian society took up to social reforms. Okay, so this was the Renaissance, और आप ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो. नाउ फॉर द बॉडी पार्ट you have to cite evidence that the Renaissance movement supported the discovery of ancient India also. So first example we can give is of Arya Samaj. Okay, so as we all know, the work of Arya Samaj dealt with, basically it gave the slogan of go back to Vedas. Okay, so in a way it brought the importance of ancient India because Vedas was a part of ancient India only. Arya Samaj sought to reform the caste system and basically highlighted the importance of Chaturvarna system. तो ये आपका एक पॉइंट हो गया. सेकेंड पॉइंट यू कैन गिव वॉज ऑफ IC विद्यासागर. ओके, ईश्वर चंद विद्यासागर. सो इन्होंने भी एंशियंट इंडिया का सहारा लिया थ्रू वेदास, as he said that, as he cited various texts to support widow remarriage. Okay, so he took support of ancient India text to support widow remarriages. Okay, this was a very important social reform, that is of widow remarriage, and Vidyasagar sought the help of ancient text to support his claim that widow remarriage even existed during the Vedic period. Okay, you can give the example of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He is also considered the father of Indian Renaissance. Although he challenged the infallibility of Vedas, though he also sought support of ancient text to ban sati. Okay, as we all know, he was a reformer and did wonderfully well to stop the practice of sati. So to stop the sati, he enlightened the normal people with the help of ancient text and sought claim from there only. So these 3 points you can claim and it is more than sufficient for a 6 marker question, although up to 5 mark का हो गया है. In conclusion, you can say that many leaders took support of ancient Indian text. Basically support सिर्फ text का ही लिया था ancient India से during the Renaissance period. They, with the help of these ancient India references, thought to bring in social reforms, and hence masses got a chance to discover ancient India. To summarize it, you can say that social reformers took help of ancient Vedic text to help in stopping evil practices during the Renaissance period, for which the social reforms were taking place. So my aim for this video was just to give you an idea how you should think about writing a 5 marker question and properly structuring it, that is giving introduction, body and conclusion. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to practice more such previous year mains question, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.